Hi guys, this is Farah here. I just got this new iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is gold color with 256 GB storage. I thought why not share my unboxing experience with you all. So let's unbox. The last iPhone I used was iPhone 6 Plus, and after that I switched to Android, and this is like a major upgrade for me. So I'm excited. Okay. Woo. I'm just super excited about the four newest features that this phone holds. One thing is this dynamic island. This thing, the notch has gone and it has turned into dynamic island. And the second thing I'm super excited is this 48 megapixel camera. It is so cool, right? 48 megapixel, it's such a biggest upgrade iPhone has done. And the third thing is always on display. And the fourth major upgrade is that the Pro version comes with A16 Bionic chip. I'm already scared to use phone with no cover because I'm a clumsy person. So yes, I bought a case also. I bought the silicone one. I don't prefer the leather case since I'm a person who sanitizes the phone and stuffs like that. So this color is pretty. May see how it goes with it. The reason I wanted this berry color is because of the gold pops. Oh, beautiful. Well, it's a wrap for now. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.